What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles here. Super excited to be announcing the winner for last month's sneaker giveaway, and also which shoe we're gonna be giving away for the month of March, which is the Nike Air Fear God 1 in the black colorway and Reshoevn8r kit, guys. And the way to enter is by clicking the link below. You're gonna have up to 12 entries to be able to win this giveaway, so make sure you do all 12, guys. But before I go ahead and tell you who won the Nike Air Force 1 off-white in the Vick colorway, I wanna send a huge shout out to all you guys, the subscribers, for almost getting us to 1 million subscribers, guys. That is huge. We're gonna be doing a big giveaway, so make sure you tune in for that. Now, without further ado, let's get into the winner. Drum roll, please. Alrighty. And the winner of the off-white Air Force 1 in the Vick colorway is Taylor Queen from Anderson, South Carolina. Shout out to you, congratulations. You are February's winner for the sneaker giveaway. We already reached out to you, so you have 48 hours to contact us back. If you don't, we're gonna have to choose someone else, so don't miss out, guys. So that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. I'm Jonny Bubbles. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like these giveaways. I'm super excited for 2019. You guys should be too. And that's gonna wrap it up, guys. I'll see you guys next time.